Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Carla, and if you are looking to boost your credit score and get a start building your credit, you might have heard about Self. In today's video, we are diving in deep into what Self offers, how it works, and how you can maximize the benefits of their products. So if you are ready to kickstart your financial journey, keep watching this video. Let's get into it. Self is not a typical bank. Instead, it focuses on helping individuals build and improve their credit score through a unique product called Credit Builder Loan. This isn't a traditional loan. Instead, it's a saving plan that improves your credit as you pay into it. Intrigued? Let's break down a little bit more. Self's main product is a credit builder account. It works by setting up a loan that is held in a certificate of deposit account for 12 to 24 months. You don't get the money up front. Instead you make monthly payments toward this loan and self-report these on-time payments to the credit bureaus, helping to boost your credit score. At the end of the term, you get access to the money minus the fee of the and minus the fees and interest. Self credit builder works by issuing a loan to be paid off over 24 months, like I just mentioned, as you make payments on time in full. You will qualify for the Self Visa credit card, and Self will report your payments activity to the credit bureaus as an installment loan. Self reports on time to the three major consumer credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, which make its credit builder loan a good way to build your credit as long as you make payments on time and in full. Getting started with Self is straightforward. There is no minimum credit score required, making it accessible for almost everyone. You will need to provide some basic information, personal information, and have a bank account, debit card, or prepaid card for payments. Self will perform a soft credit pool, but don't worry, it won't hurt your credit. Like any financial product, there are fees involved, so you have to be aware of it. Sales charges an administrative fee to open your account, which is typically around $9. The interest you pay is part of the your monthly payments, and while you do end up paying more than the amount you will eventually receive, remember the primary goal is building your credit and not saving money. So you have to be aware that if you go with Self, you have the purpose of building your credit and get your credit up, then saving. Before we continue, and if you are finding this video helpful so far, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check out my free VIP group that I host in the school platform for more financial insight. I will leave the link in the description box below. So, what are the pros and cons of using Self? On the plus side, it's an excellent tool for building your credit, especially if you are new to the credit or you are rebuilding your credit. Payments are reported to all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. However, the downside is the fees and the fact that you don't access your funds immediately, which isn't ideal if you need cash now. So another thing is if you are looking to boost your credit history without breaking the bank, Self latest offering might be just what you need. Now, alongside your credit building loan payments, you can use Self rent and utility reporting feature through level credit to strengthen your credit profile with expenses you are already covering in monthly basis. This service competes with some of the top rent reported services out there, so each is really a good option. The best part is that it won't cost you a dime. Have your rent payments reported to all three major credit bureaus, which is good. But if you are looking to supercharge your utility payments in your TransUnion's credit report, but if you are looking to supercharge your credit building journey, You can opt for the $6.95 monthly plan to also include your utility payments in your TransUnion credit report. Plus, paying users will receive added perks like 1 million in identified thefts insurance and credit monitoring via TransUnion. And if you want to include up to 24 months of past rent payments, you can do so for one-time fee of $49.95. Here is the kicker. You don't even need to sign up for the Self Credit Union Builder loan to take advantage of this rent reporting service. So just keep this in mind if you are still looking to boost your credit or working your credit through them. So what about the Self Credit Builder program itself? Let's break down the pros and cons. So on the pro side, flexible payment options are available. No penalties for early payments or canceling your credit builder account. Nationwide availability. So Self is available in all 50 states with minimal eligibility requirement. As part of the pro, it includes Self Visa credit card. This means that you gain additional payment history and boost your credit with this unique offering. On the con side, they have relatively a high APR. Self's APR range from 15.51% to 50.92%, higher than some of the competitors. Another one is non-refundable fee. There is a $25 annual fee for the Self Visa credit card that is not refundable. And another con is the mixed customer service review. Some user reports challenges with their customer service and refund process after the 24-month mark. So just be on the look of this. Be aware of the situation. That way you know what you are getting into. Who benefit from Self Credit Builder? Self Credit Builder program cater to a specific demographic. If you are grappling with either no credit history or tarnished credit score in need of rehabilitation, and you possess a flexible financial plan, Self might be just the solution you are seeking. So just be on the look of this. Do your homework, do your research, but I'm giving you a lot of information here that you can consider. However, if you are uncertain about your ability to meet your financial obligations, now it might not be the best choice for you to embark on a Self Credit Builder journey. The service meticulously reports your payment behavior, including any instances of tardiness, which could potentially lower your credit score. Moreover, be mindful that Self impose a late fee amounting to 5% of your monthly payment for missed payments. So just be aware of these two. This is a huge deal to know and be aware if you are getting into this product or this program. It is crucial to recognize that Self, much like any other credit building loan, serve as a means to an end. While it offers the opportunity to simultaneously save money and enhance your credit profile, is not necessarily the most optimal choice for saving funds and securing a credit card. There are alternatives out there that you can consider, including secure credit cards with no annual fees, better APRs, and additional perks surpassing what the Self Visa credit card provides. So just be on the look of that. This is my honest opinion because that's a reality. But that doesn't mean that the service program, the Self programs is a bad choice. So it depends where you are right now in your journey. To really benefit from Self, ensure you make every payment on time, and this is crucial to building your credit. Consider setting up automatic payments to avoid missing a deadline. Also, keep track of your credit score progress through free credit monitoring services to see how your efforts are paying off. So, Self offers a unique way to build your credit without going into debt, which is a huge plus for anyone looking to improve their financial standing. While it's not a quick fix, it's a solid step toward establishing a stronger credit history and credit score. And that's it for today. That wraps up our deep dive into self. Have you used Credit Builder loan before, or are you considering using it now? Let us know in the comment below. We love to hear from you. And remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and check out my free VIP group that I host in the school platform for more financial insight. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.